Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. Today's video is a quick documentation tip on how I practice a new kata or technique from online sources. I would prefer to learn this kata officially from my seniors at the dojo, but unfortunately the pandemic lockdown isn't letting up anytime soon, so I've decided to learn through available online sources, video as references. Hopefully when the dojo reopens, I can seek guidance from them. A quick disclaimer, this is the very first time I am attempting this kata. For those who knows this kata, yes, I wasn't aware of the wrong footwork in the beginning when I was doing this. Typically, I practice by not obsessing over what the video shows too much, but try to move first. Getting a rough idea how to move and try to memorize each steps of the move. For me, when starting, it's best to just feel the movements, see if it feels natural. In many ways, each new katas are designed for you to face new challenges. That didn't feel right. Of course, it is by design that the higher you progress, the more advanced things are being introduced. In this case, is a new awkward, unfamiliar position and posture that I have never done before. Why is my foot at the wrong ending position? Whoa, careful there. My leg isn't supposed to be here. Oh wait, I'm supposed to sit in Tatehisa. It hurts to come out from this position. After a number of times, this is when I realized I was pulling with the wrong leg the whole time. With a single error of the footwork, it completely throws off the entire kata. Now that I've realized it, suddenly a lot of things starting to click into place. That feels so much better. So that's what I've been doing wrong. Whoa, sloppy. Repetition after repetition, fixing little details after another. Couldn't remember if I should rotate my sword here or like this. I didn't know it at the time, but when editing this, I realized I may have been cutting with the wrong angle as well. Legs tired. Even my posture is getting more tired. Whoop, careful there. After 10 to 15 attempts, I go back to reviewing the videos again to see the final details, or fix the final details, mirroring the movements in real time from the video. This may look silly to you, but don't laugh. This is how you look like to your sensei each time when you mirror them whilst they are lecturing. It can be distracting to your sensei as well as your classes. But, of course, we're all guilty of it from time to time, so, that's why you can be as silly as you want when you are learning through videos instead. Couldn't decide what I want to do. If it isn't obvious already, the secret for successful progress is repetition, repetition, repetition. Yeah, legs are feeling rather sore. Prolonged practice starting to take a toll on the legs. Yeah, even the Tatehisa legs starting to hurt. Yeah, come on, a little bit more. Legs are hurting. Come on, ouch, 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 ouch. That didn't feel good. Sometimes it would reach the point where I couldn't even squat or sit in Tatehisa for today. Cut down this way, this way, this way, this way. No, this way, this way. No, it's this way. No, it's maybe that way. As I'm about to conclude the day, I try to do a few last attempts with Tatehisa. Come on, Namazu. It's Tatehisa, not Seiza. Whoa, careful there. Letting the legs rest for a day, I've reviewed the video references once again and come back for revisions, fixing my leg position and the finer details of using the saya to hit the opponent with the hilt. With only a day's rest, I can see big improvements in the form, strength, and even the intensity of performing the kata. I even feel a sense of improved confidence of my leg strength to sit in Tatehisa. Of course, it is always good to record multiple angles to see if I have any glaring problems to fix. Honestly though, it's not too shabby doing this kata for the first 2 days. No funny faces in sight. I hope this video is educational and entertaining. Do practice hard, practice safe, and practice all the time. If you haven't already, please do support by liking and subscribing. Give that bell a ding and share it to all your friends. Come check out my other cool videos. Thanks, and see you in the next one.